Hi, this is Vangala Vanith Reddy. I am going to tell right now about the light. With small definitions, light is the form of energy. Because of that, the some of the words of the light chapter is very difficult to memorize them. Convex, concave, and convex. We can't long memorizing them. Because of that, we have to simplify them with the definitions. What are the definitions? I am going to tell you about this 100 simple definitions. I am going to tell you. Because of that, light is the తెలుగులోని ఈ లైట్ గురించి చాలా కాంకేవ్ కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ అని ఉంటాయి. అవేంటి అర్థం కావు. అవి లాంగ్ మెమరైజ్ చేసుకోవడం కూడా కొద్ది కష్టం అనిపిస్తుంది మరి ఒక లెవెల్ 2 స్టూడెంట్కి. కాబట్టి వాటి గురించి నేను ఇప్పుడు చెప్తున్నాను. చాలా ఈజీ మెథడ్లో ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి యూ హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్ ప్రాపర్లీ and memorize them. Light is energy that helps us to see. Sunlight helps us see outside. Light ray, a straight path of light. Example, torchlight travels in a straight line. Beam of light, a group of light rays. Car headlights. Example, beam of lights అంటే కొన్ని కాంతి పుంజాల సమూహంని beam of light అంటారు. Sources of light, anything that gives out light. A candle. Next, fifth one, natural light. Light from nature. Example, the sun. Artificial light. Light made by humans. Example, tube light. Luminous object. Object that gives its own light. Fire. దానికదే స్వతహాగా ఇచ్చే కాంతిని ల్యూమినస్ లైట్ అంటారు. ల్యూమినస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అంటారు. నెక్స్ట్, నాన్ ల్యూమినస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. Object that reflects light but does not make its own. Transparent, allows all light to pass. Clean glass. Translucent, allows some light to pass. పాక్షిక లైట్ను పాస్ చేసేదాన్ని ట్రాన్స్లూసెంట్ అంటారు. ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ అంటే మొత్తం లైట్ని పాస్ చేసేదాన్ని ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ అంటారు. ఒపేక్, బ్లాక్స్ ఆల్ లైట్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, వుడెన్ డోర్. Shadow, dark area formed when light is blacked. Your shadow in sunlight. Umbra, darkest part of a shadow. Middle part of your shadow is called umbra. Penumbra, lighter part of a shadow, outer soft part of a shadow. Reflection, light bouncing back from a surface. Seeing your face in a mirror. Reflection. Refraction, bending of light when it changes medium. Straw looks bent in water. Mirror, surface that reflects light. Bathroom mirror. Example, plane mirror. Flat mirror. Example, dressing mirror. Image, a picture formed by a mirror or lens. Example, your image in a mirror. Real image, image that can be taken on a screen. Image on a movie screen. Real virtual image, image that cannot be taken on a screen. Your face in a mirror. అద్దంలో చూస్తున్న ఫేస్ వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్ అంటారు. అప్రైట్ ఇమేజ్, ఇమేజ్ దట్ ఈస్ స్ట్రైట్. ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్. ఇన్వర్టెడ్ ఇమేజ్, ఇమేజ్ అప్సైడ్ డౌన్. కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్ ఇమేజ్ ఆన్ ఎ స్క్రీన్. ఇన్వర్టెడ్ మీన్స్ అంటే ఇమేజ్ అప్సైడ్ డౌన్. Concave mirror, mirror curved inward, that is makeup mirror. Convex mirror, mirror curved outward. Example, rear view mirror of vehicles. Focus, what is the focus? Point where rays meet. మరి రేస్ అని కూడా ఒకే చోట కలిసే పాయింట్ని ఫోకస్ అంటారు. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సన్లైట్ మీటింగ్ ఎట్ వన్ పాయింట్ యూజింగ్ మ్యాగ్నిఫైయింగ్ గ్లాస్. Focal length, distance between mirror lens and focus. Convex lens, focusing sunlight at a small distance. Radius of curvature, distance from mirror to center of a sphere. Example, the radius of a ball shaped mirror. Radius of curvature. Principal axis, main straight line through mirror lens center. Main straight line passing through a lens center. Principal axis. And pole, center of mirror surface, middle of a mirror. Pole, center of curvature, center of the sphere from the mirror is cut Example, center point of a large ball. Lens, material that bends light. Example, spectacle glass. Convex lens, lens that bulks outwards. Example, magnifying glass. Concave lens, lens that curve inwards. Example, peephole lens on doors. Converging lens, lens that brings light together. Convex lens. Diverging lens, lens that spreads the light. Concave lens. Incident ray, incoming light ray, light from torch hitting a mirror. Reflected ray, ray that bounces back. Example, light from mirror. Normal, line at 90 degrees to surface, perpendicular line drawn at mirror point. Angle of incidence, angle between incident ray and normal ray. Example, torchlight hitting mirror. Angle of reflection, angle between reflected ray and normal, light bouncing from mirror. Law of reflection, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Example, laser pointer bouncing equally. Dispersion, splitting of white light into colors. Example, rainbow. Spectrum, band of colors. Viewgear from prism. Prism, glass that splits the light. Prism forming rainbow. White light, light containing all colors. Example, sunlight. Scattering, light spreading in different directions. Blue sky. Absorption, object taking light. Example, black cloth gets hot. Transmission, light passing through a material. Light passing through a glass. Diffraction, light bending around barriers. Light bending around a small hole. Interference, two light waves overlapping. Colored patterns on soap bubbles. Polarization, light vibrating in one direction. Sunglasses cutting glare. Brightness, how strong light looks. Example, torch looks bright in dark. Intensity, power of light. Stadium floodlights. Wave, light behaves like waves. Light from forming patterns. Photon, the teeny particle of light. Light from bulb is photons. Frequency, how fast light waves vibrate. Example, blue light has higher frequency. Wavelength, distance between two wave peaks. Example, red light has long wavelength. Ultraviolet light, visible light beyond violet. Example, UV lamps. Infrared light, invisible light beyond red. Example, TV remote signals. Visible light, light humans can see. Example, rainbow colors. Laser, strong single color light. Example, laser pointer. Reflection from smooth surface gives clear image. Clean mirror. Reflection from rough surface scatters light. Example, wall. Total internal reflection. Light fully reflects inside material. Example, optical fibers. Critical angle, angle for total internal reflection. Light inside glass. Mirage, false image due to hot air refraction. Water-like look on roads. Twinkling of glass stars. Light changes due to atmosphere. Stars look flickering. Luminous intensity, strength of light in a direction. Car headlight brightness. Bioluminescence, living things producing light. Example, fireflies. Fluorescence, glow then light falls. Fluorescent paints. Phosphorescence, glow after light removed. Glow stickers. Incandescence, light from heat. Hot metal glows. Optical medium, material light travels through air, water, glass. Speed of light, fastest speed in universe. Sunlight reaching earth in 8 minutes. Light year, distance light travels in 1 year. Distance to stars. Divergence, light spreading apart. Bulb light spreading. Convergence, light coming together. Example, convex lens, focusing sunlight. Pinhole camera, camera without lens. Small hole forming image on screen. Transparent medium, lets all light pass. Example, clean water. Denser medium, slows down light more. Example, glass. Rarer medium, slows down light less. Air, example air. Partial reflection, some light reflects, some passes, glass window. Reflected image, image formed by reflection, example mirror picture. Refracted image, image formed by bending light, object seen inside water. Point source, very small light source, example a small LED. Extended source, large light source, example tube light. Beam types, parallel rays or side by side, laser beam. Beam types, diverging rays spread out, torch beam. Beam types, converging rays come together, convex lens output. Shadow size, how big or small shadow is, shadow longer in evening. Penetration, light entering a substance, light entering a water. Hot objects glow when heated enough, iron rod glowing red. Cold light, light without heat, example LED bulbs. Soft light, light with low intensity, example night lamp. Hard light, light with sharp shadows, example midday sun. Light travels in a straight lines, example torch beam is straight. Ray diagram, drawing showing ray paths, mirror reflection diagram. Optic, study of light, example learning mirror and lens rules. Color, different types of light, example red, blue, green. Thank you, my dear subscribers. 100 definitions, this is part 1. If you learn properly the definitions, you can learn formulas easily, then you can solve the problems, then you can get IIT. Nothing is impossible. Be happy. God bless you. Jai Hind.